Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I'm going to explain about Nifty options. So in option we know like there is a put option and there is a call option. And in the same way we have strike price and we have a premium reduction, we have expiry. So all those things are there. So all those things I'm going to explain through this video. So watch completely this video, then only you'll be getting a better idea about like what is Nifty option and what is call option and what is put option and what is strike price. So everything I'll be explaining. So if you are satisfied with this video, so don't forget to like my video as well as. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And in the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ, and you can see lot of videos related to market. So you can see like how to invest for long term, short term, intraday. So all those things I have shared already. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about Nifty option. So how to select the strike rate, or like what is C, what is P, and what is premium reduction. So all those things I am going to explain through this video. So the first thing is that we have to add Nifty future to our watch list. So here you can go to the add button. So you can just type as Nifty. So once you type Nifty, here you can see Nifty futures and Nifty options. So first thing you can add the first one. Here you can see the first one. So just add this one to the watch list. You can just click on this. So this will be added to your watch list. So this is the first thing, like Nifty future you have to add to the watch list. So once added to the watch list, you can select the strike rate also. So just click on that. Here you can see the option chain. So just click on the option chain. So once you click on the option chain, you can see there is a call option and there is a put option. So normally people will say C for call option. Okay, so C means it is a call option. So here you can see this is a call option. So call option means it will be C, and this side you can see put option. So put option will be P. So this is a short form of put option. And always you can identify the strike rate. Okay, so strike rate you can identify. So here you can see this is the current strike rate of Nifty. So Nifty future is the current strike rate. So here if you come to this area, so this is the Nifty's current strike rate, because you can see like 11,600 and this is also 11,600. So based on this only you have to select the C or P, like market is going up, where you have to enter, or which C you have to buy or which P you have to buy. So you have to decide based on the strike rate. So currently we can see like Nifty is like trading like around 11,600, and if you see like here you can see, okay, this is the C, this is the C you can select. So you can select the C from here to this area. So don't go too much far. Like if you see here under 2 rupees, if you go and buy there, you won't be getting profit, because some people they will ask, if you see here like market is like almost 84 points up today, and when you see this this C, okay, here you can see like 11,750 C you can see. So what is happened there? It is minus now. Why it is means it is a time decay, because it is a premium reduction, because we know like tomorrow is an expiry. So here you can see the date. So the expiry is on 17th September, because tomorrow is an expiry. So that like whichever is not crossing this level, so this current level. So right now you know like the current level is now here, and whichever C is above this level. Okay, so 1 second. So current level is now here. So this is the current level now. So all the C is above this level, it will be tomorrow 0, because tomorrow also we have to see like where Nifty is opening. Just imagine tomorrow Nifty is closing this level, okay, 11,600. So whichever C is above this level, from this level, okay, from 11,600 onwards, all will go as 0. And same thing will happen to the P also, like whichever P is having from here to here, so all will go as 0. So this is what the premium reduction. So always you have to be very careful, like when you are going for a Nifty selection, you have to select nearby the strike rate. So because this is a strike rate, you have to select nearby this area. So if it is an expiry day, you have to select either current rate or below that current rate. So if it is like normal Friday, you know, like because Friday the rate will be little bit higher. so that you can select like maybe even like this area you can also you can select, because you will be getting the movement. But during the expiry days or like Wednesdays or Thursdays, you won't be getting much movement when you are going for a higher side, because if you see this area, you can see the price is very less. Okay, so here if you see the normal price is only 1 rupees. So normally people will think, okay, only I will be having only loss around 100 rupees, but that 100 rupees also, it is a huge risk, because when you are buying 10 lot, because this won't be moving, because tomorrow or the date they have mentioned here, it will be an expiry. So because of that, from here you can see this is from here there is a huge gap from here, because almost 200 points gap. So within one, if it is an expiry of today, it is not going to be that level today. So that is the reason it has to go to zero. So always you have to be aware, like when you are going for an a Nifty option, there are premium reductions also. So always try to select within this range. So this will be your strike rate. Like if it is a Friday, you can select little bit upper, or always try to select nearby the strike rate only, because always try to select within this area. And when you are going for a PE also, select within this range. Okay, so it will be nearby the strike rate. And premium reduction you can see, like today you can see Nifty is almost here you can see Nifty is almost 84 points up Nifty. And if you see the P is okay, sorry, the C is okay, you can see this area will be the C side. So the C's are all positive. So from till here you can see, so till this area you can see Nifties are positive. So after that you can see here is a Nifty negative. So I'll show you once. So here you can see, if you select this Nifty, this is negative now, because some people will ask why this is negative, because this is related to the because of the time decay, and because you know, like because tomorrow is an expiry, so the time was already come down to 1 day now, because only 1 day therefore for a, only 1 day is there for a expiry. So the time has come down, and it has to go to zero. So automatically they will cut the premium. So same thing here also you can see, like whenever it is going up, and also same way you can see, like here also there is no much profit. Okay, if you take 11,700, you can see there is only 80 paisa movement, because if you see the entire market is 84 points movement in Nifty, and if you see the 11,700 only, even not even 1 rupees movement. So that is the reason, if you are going for higher level, you won't be getting much profit. So whereas if you select the current strike rate, okay, here if you select the current strike rate 11,600, you can see like almost 14 points movement. So and also like when you are selecting like below this level, okay, below the current level, there you will be getting a more profit, but the risk level will be more. Okay, because you can see the price also here, because the value will be little bit higher. It will be like 100 rupees or 150 or 200. So where there will be, you will be getting much profit, but the risk level, like for a beginners and all, like you know, like 100 points means it is like almost 7,500 will be the risk level, because the movement will be little bit faster compared to the current strike rate, because here you won't be getting much movement, but here you will be getting huge movement. So here also you can see like 11,500, you can see almost 42 points movement is happened today. So that is why I am telling, like when you are going for below the strike rate, you will be getting much profit. And always you have to think, like when you are going for a Nifty option, always try to select nearby the strike rate, or just below or above, like based on the date. Okay, if you are going for a Friday, you can select little bit higher, or if you are going for like Monday, come down, like slowly you have to come, and by Thursday and Friday you have to buy exactly the current strike rate, otherwise you won't be getting any profit. And this is what the time decay also is there, like as soon as the expiry is approaching, automatically they will be reducing the premium also. So this is the major thing, like if market is going positive also, you may think like even like the premium will be going down, and sometimes you can see like both C and P's are going down. So that is the most of the cases. Okay, like if the market is opening in a flat mode, okay, like there is no movement, like maybe 10 points movement or 100 or 20 points movement, like both side. So that case, what will happen means both C and even C and P will be coming down. So why means, because an expiry, like for example tomorrow is an expiry, so it has to come to zero. So like whichever is this level has to come down to zero, because just imagine, okay, now the current Nifty value is 11,600, and tomorrow also Nifty is going to open on the same range, and tomorrow is an expiry. Just imagine tomorrow is an expiry on 17th September. And what happened in that occasion, like here you can see whatever price is here, this 21 has to go to zero, because Nifty is open on a flat mode. because the same rate, okay, this rate Nifty has opened. So this has to go to 0, and same thing here also. This also has to go to 0, because why means because whichever is above this level has to go to 0. From here it has to go to 0, and again from here also it has to go to 0, because now it's 11 rupees is there, and if the flat market also, that will go to 0. So this is what the premium reduction. So always you have to be aware, like if it is an expiry or any days, if Nifty is flat, automatically they will reduce the premium, because that is the rule of expiry trading. And if you are going for anything, okay, like if you are going for stock option also, this is what will happen. Because of the time decay, you will be getting loss only because of the premium reduction. So always try to avoid like taking at higher position. Always try to take nearby the strike rate. Okay, and in the same way, like just imagine today is an expiry, okay, today is an expiry of 17 September, and you are sure that market may go a little further up. So today or tomorrow market may go up, or today maybe market may go another 30 points, because today the current strike rate is 11,600, and when you are buying, you are thinking, okay, market may go a little more up, and you are buying this area, but it is almost 50 points up there, and it is not reaching to that level, and this will go at 0. So in this case, what you can do means you can select the next expiry, okay. So you can go to 24th September, and you can select this area, so whichever you are feeling, you can buy here. So this 30 point movements maybe give you 10 points here, because here there is no expiry. So that is how you have to select. Like if it is an expiry day, you can select the next week and you can trade, because there is no problem of premium reduction, because this is not the current week, okay, because we are selecting the next week, and it will not go to 0 on that, because this is the next week, right? So this won't be going to the 0. So you can buy and you can wait, or even like 30 points movement downward, you will be getting profit from here. So this is all about options trading and CEP. So all those things I have covered right now, and if you have any queries related to this topic, you can comment below this video. And those who are interested to open an account, okay, in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can contact me. And the same way, okay, I have started a Telegram channel, okay, Telegram channel to help the beginners. So you can see my channel here. So this is my channel, okay. This is to help the beginners. Like daily basis, I'll be providing like where to trade, like what are the suggestions. So here also you can see, like today also I have given like natural gas buy, and same way you can see like Nifty also I have suggested. So here you can see Nifty also I have suggested to buy like at 11,550, and like there was like a small profit, because like today market was like almost a fat market. Still we could book like a little bit profit also. And same thing here you can see like all the market updates I'll be providing, and also I'll be providing like commodities call also, like how buy silver, like all the commodities, like silver, gold, all those things I'll be giving. Here also you can see like I have suggested to buy silver, and you can see silver was almost given a good profits, like almost 250 points down. Here you can see almost 250 points down. So all the suggestions I'll be providing in this group. So those who are interested to join this group, you can join, and this is a completely free group, okay. The link I have given in the description, so you can go to my description and you can join to this group. And the same way, like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description, so you can go to my description and you can open the account. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you have any clarification related to Nifty option, or if you have any doubt related to call option or a put option, you can comment below this video. And if you are really satisfied with this topic, you can like my video, and the same way you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.